listening to the Agent Survival Guide podcast, a podcast for today's insurance agents. Informing, educating, empowering, improving the way you do business in an industry that's anything but static. In today's episode, it's easy to get caught up in losing a sale. You can't change the past, but you can improve the future. We've got strategies and resources to help you get back on your feet. Learning from Lost Medicare Sales, written by Emily Markovic. As exciting as securing a sale is, losing a sale can be pretty disappointing. To put a positive spin on a negative situation, every lost sale is a learning opportunity. When you fail to close a sale, consider it a chance to ask yourself, what went wrong? And how can I prevent that from happening in the future? We're examining a few possible reasons why a lost sale could happen and providing suggestions to help prevent it from happening again. The first potential reason, your portfolio was lacking. You've gone through your portfolio's plan options, but you just don't have what your client is looking for or what would best meet their needs. Here are possible solutions if your portfolio is the problem. Everyone has different needs and preferences when it comes to healthcare coverage. It's always a good idea to keep a diverse portfolio of insurance products. This heightens your chances for successful sales and opens the door for cross-selling. An example of an ideal portfolio includes at least 2 Medicare Advantage or MA plans and at least 2 Medicare supplements. A minimum of 1 standalone prescription drug plan, or PDP for short, at least 1 hospital indemnity plan, especially if you're selling MA plans, and at least 1 dental, vision, and hearing plan, especially if you're selling Medicare supplements. Now, it's possible you won't always be equipped to sell the plan your client is looking for. However, you can increase the probability by making sure you're contracted to sell the hot plans in your market area. Finding this info can take a little research, but luckily, Ritter Insurance Marketing makes this easy by doing the fact-finding for you. Our sales specialists can put together a free state and region-specific smart sheet that provides an outline of the competitive carriers and plans in your local sales market. If you don't already have their info, we will have the link to our sales reps' contact information in the episode notes. In addition to smart sheets, agents partnered with Ritter don't have to dread the contracting process because we make that easy for our agents too. Once you've registered with us and have a conversation with your local sales rep, we'll unlock the online contracting feature inside the Ritter platform. We call this Contract Now. This tool makes contracting quick and simple by pre-filling your information from your agent record and indicating exactly which documents to submit for each carrier. If you need assistance throughout the process, you can call in and speak to a real live human being, one of our friendly and knowledgeable contracting specialists. Having your portfolio stocked with a selection of quality plans could save you from a lost sale due to a lacking portfolio. Moving on to the next possible reason, your sales approach wasn't on point. Everyone has an off day now and then, but being prepared and having a set sales approach can help prevent any mishaps during your meetings. Let's get into possible solutions. An effective salesperson possesses qualities like positivity, resilience, enthusiasm, and adaptability, to name a few. In every appointment, you want to make sure you're giving off a friendly and confident vibe that makes your clients feel comfortable with you and confident in your abilities and knowledge. Some days, putting on a smile can be difficult. Stress from work or personal issues, or just a bad day can make being positive and enthusiastic a real challenge. In cases like these, use methods to try and cheer yourself up before meetings. Listen to a favorite song, watch a funny video, or treat yourself to a special snack beforehand. Do whatever you can to raise your spirits and keep the negativity you're feeling from creeping into your plan presentation. It's also important to be an active listener. Be mindful of what you're saying and how you're saying it. Being an active listener entails paying close attention to your clients and what they say, responding directly to their comments, and answering all their questions. You might get eager to answer a question or make a comment right away, but resist the urge and let your clients fully finish what they're saying before you chime in. No one likes being cut off in conversation, even if it's done with the best intentions. When you do respond in conversation with your clients, be aware of how you're communicating, your body language, tone, eye contact. If you're speaking to older Medicare clients, you definitely want to make sure you aren't using elder speak. With this type of communication, patronizing language or simplified words are used along with a high-pitched tone, like one you might use to speak to a child. You don't need to assume someone over the age of 65 needs simplified words or phrases. They have had years to expand their vocabularies, and if they're new to a word or concept, they'll ask for clarification. You might use elder speak intending to be polite, but older adults usually take it as an insult. So just relax, speak normally, and make a conscious effort to communicate with clients of all ages with the same professionalism and respect. Our final scenario for a lost opportunity. So many sales, so little time. The annual enrollment period is a small window of time for all the Medicare sales you want to make. Having the prospects, but not enough time to meet with them all, is a good and bad thing. You're a well-liked and credible agent with a healthy client base, and that's awesome, but there's only one of you, and only so much you can get done. Here are the solutions we recommend. We've mentioned the benefits of joining a field marketing organization, or FMO, many times here on the podcast. From product and contracting support to enrollment issue troubleshooting and back office support, an FMO can provide these services and more. It's also typical for FMOs to have their own exclusive sales technology and resources. Ritter is no exception and has a collection of proprietary tools that can save you time. Shop and enroll and fast-track pre-filled enrollment applications can take a sale from scope of appointment collection to plan enrollment seamlessly and entirely online. Additionally, the Ritter platform is home to our high-functioning client relationship management system, a CRM for short, along with quoting, commissions tracking, contract management, and more tools all together on one interface. You can also consider hiring an assistant for your business to help with tasks like managing your appointments and taking care of various paperwork. Another option you can consider is developing your own agency. We understand this might seem daunting, but resources like our free ebook, Developing an Agency, Your Guide to Getting Started, can help you begin the process and know what to expect as you go. If you have a large book of business that keeps expanding, acquiring downline agents to work some of those leads is a great way to make sure you don't miss out on sales and give other insurance agents a chance to succeed and grow their skills.
You can find the link to get your free copy of our ebook in the episode notes, along with all the resources mentioned in this episode. To be completely candid, losing a sale stinks, and sometimes it just won't work out. But that doesn't mean you're not a good agent. In every business, there are ups and downs and always opportunities to learn and improve. Sometimes a little help can go a long way, and Ritter is prepared to provide all the help and encouragement you need. Gain access to our wonderful team and tools like the Ritter platform by becoming a Ritter agent. It's completely free, and when you join our ranks, we can help grow your business together. Check out the links in the episode notes for more information on how to do that. And thank you so much for listening. We will see you next episode. The Agent Survival Guide podcast is a production of Ritter Insurance Marketing, an Integrity company. This episode was written by Emily Markovic. Script adaptation by Tina Lamoureux. Recording and production by me, Sarah Ruppel. Podcast design by Urban Rivera. Artwork by Vivian Zhao. Rate and review our show on Apple or Spotify.